TopoShare has already made it possible to connect teams through the cloud. With TopoShare version 2025, we're taking that collaboration to the next level. TopoShare Access is your direct link into cloud-hosted data, letting you step right into the project environment as soon as the project administrator grants you access. From there, everything is simpler. Projects are neatly organized, datasets stay up to date, and you always know where to find what you need. The new release also makes managing complex jobs easier, with support for multiple datasets within a single project, and the familiar folder-style structure to keep everything in order. Combined with the centralized control of TopoShare Administrator, it means your teams stay aligned, projects move faster, and deliverables stay consistent. TopoShare version 2025 is included with every TopoDOT license, so as soon as you update the TopoDOT version 2025.2, you're ready for easier access and faster collaboration. This is the same TopoShare you know, now more powerful, more seamless, and ready for your next project. Update now and experience the future of geospatial workflows with TopoShare version 2025.